Hello friends, and from this video you will learn how to soak cucumber seeds, in what to soak them so that they germinate very quickly and you get quick shoots. And most importantly, the seedlings will be strong and not get sick, and for this you need to soak the seeds in the right tool, which I will tell you about now. The first tool that I will recommend you to use for soaking seeds is potassium humate, and now I will explain why. I have been using it for several years now, and not only for soaking seeds, but also throughout the season. It is suitable for root and foliar feeding of seedlings and plants, and humate itself is an environmentally friendly potassium humate, which is formed as a result of an alkaline hydrolysis reaction. I think this doesn't tell you anything, but the result after using it will tell you everything. To soak the seeds, you only need to dissolve 1 milliliter of humic acid in 100 milliliters of water. The water should be warm. It is enough to soak the seeds for 2 hours, and in general, look at the seeds. As soon as they are saturated with water with potassium humate, become thicker, then you can take out the seeds and plant them even in open ground, even in cups. It all depends on the weather conditions in the region where you live, and the rest of the potassium humate you buy will be used this season, and you will harvest rich and environmentally friendly crops. The second recipe. This is soaking the seeds in hydrogen peroxide because it has oxygen atoms in its formula. It's a great oxidizer and also a great antiseptic. So this tool will not only accelerate seed germination, because hydrogen peroxide softens the seed coat perfectly and you get fast germination. And also, if the seeds are of unknown origin, for example, shared with you by neighbors, or you collected the seeds yourself, there is a high probability that they contain fungal pathogens, and hydrogen peroxide will destroy them all, and when the first seedlings appear, they will grow clean and strong. To do this, you need ordinary 3% hydrogen peroxide sold at the pharmacy. Also take any shallow container, pour the seeds and pour pure, undiluted hydrogen peroxide in such a layer as to cover the seeds at least 5 mm above, and soak the seeds in hydrogen peroxide for 2 hours. And at the end of the video, I'll give you some useful tips. First tip, you need to soak the seeds, whether purchased or harvested. But if you bought seeds, opened the packet and saw that they were processed or in a shell, you should not soak such seeds, because they have already undergone pre-sowing treatment and are ready for planting in the ground. Second tip, when you immerse a seed in hydrogen peroxide or potassium humate and some of the seeds sink to the bottom and some float on top, don't rush to think that the seeds that didn't sink are bad, because within half an hour, when the shell softens, they will sink, and if some of them do not sink, then there is no point in planting them, because you won't get any germination. You only plant the seeds that have sunk to the bottom. So friends, if you found the information in this video useful, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. I wish you a good day and see you in new videos.